First thing you're going to want to do is remove the outer packaging, unzip the bag, and remove all of the shrink wrap and paper from the stove. And put it either in the dishwasher or in a sink full of hot soapy water and give it a good scrubbing before you use it for the first time. It's a good idea to read the manual completely. There's some great safety tips in there and instructions on how to use each of the different parts of the grill. Here's all of the different components that make up your grill. First thing you want to do is spread the legs out on the table. Make sure it's on a good stable surface. Take the bottom piece and make sure that you've got it extended outward when you place it in the frame. That will lock it in place. The second section is where the fuel is going to go, and that goes right in here. Take one of our foil liners out of the package and unfold it. And then place it in the grill before you add the fire starter grate. It's a good idea to line it up and then just fold the tabs over the side. Then take the fire starter grate and set it in. The nice thing about our portable grill is it uses a wide range of fuel. You can use chunk wood, let it burn down into a nice bed of coals. You can use briquettes like these, or you can use lump charcoal as well. Fuel alignment in here is very important, and that will give you a way to control the temperature that the grill's putting out when you use it. If you were to take all of the charcoal and stack it down below inside here with the fire starters, you'd be able to maintain a nice fire for baking at 300 to 400 degrees. Or for slow cooking. If you wanted a little bit more robust fire in the 500 to 600 degree range for something like burgers or brats, you'd want to lay the fuel on its side across the fuel grate. If you want to get a more robust fire for boiling water or for searing steaks in the 700 to 900 degree range, then you want to stand the fuel on its side in the fuel grate array that's inside the stove. Our superheat insert in here makes it very easy to arrange the fuel whatever way you need to. And then once your fuel is arranged in there, you can use your tool if you want to lift it up and light the fire starters, and then just drop it back down. The next thing you're going to want to do once your fire starters are burning well and your charcoal is beginning to ignite is take your cooking grate and place it in on the top and make sure it's nice and level. The other thing you're going to want to do is place your cover on the top of the grill. This is used for baking and also to control the burn rate on your fuel inside. When you're starting the charcoal up for the first time, you want to make sure you leave these open so that your charcoal begins to ignite and turns gray. Once you've got a good cooking fire done, then the next thing you can do is use your tool to close the lid. If you need to remove the lid during the cooking process, that's what you use your tool for. And you simply pick the lid up, place it down. Remove your top, and then remove your cooking grate and add fuel down below, and then place it back on top of the cooking surface.